Hey everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Today is the day number 10 of the 12 days of Christmas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make delicious walnut cookies. First, if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. For these cookies, we're going to need 150 grams of walnut, 50 grams of galletas Maria, 75 grams of sugar, 60 grams of egg whites, and we're going to need 100 grams of condensed milk. Now I am going to put the galletas Marias and the walnuts in the blender, and I'm going to ground them until they're very fine. And if you have a food processor, you can use it as well. Very good, this mix is ready and I am going to set it aside. Now I am going to whisk the egg whites until they form firm peaks. In the meantime, I am going to prepare a pastry bag with the decorating tip number 804. Prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper or a baking mat. My egg whites are done. Now, using the spatula, I am going to start adding the walnut mix, condensed milk, and sugar until all ingredients are well combined. And take your time while doing this, no rush is required. Mix is done. Let me show you how it looks. Now I am going to put it in the pastry bag, and I am going to start forming the little cookies on my baking sheet. Now I am going to bake them at 325 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. I think my cookies are ready. If you can smell the aroma that this cookies has, it is amazing. It is super good, and they look like macarons, but they are a little different. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the oven and I'm gonna let them sit in the oven for a few more minutes. Open the door ajar. Now I'm going to take them out of the oven and I'm going to put them in a cooling rack. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.